it's Booya for KB Inside, and for this video, I am going to be trying out a very popular product from Korea. I haven't tried it, so this is going to be my first time trying it out. It is going to be a first impressions review, so I am going to be testing out 3CE's Take a Layer Multipot. This product is very popular in Korea, in US, in the Philippines, everywhere. It's all over the place, but you know, I haven't tried it out, so I'm very excited to see what the hype is all about and if it's worth the hype. So this is what the packaging looks like outside. It looks very sleek, very clean. I love packagings like this because it's very clean, it's very minimalistic, and there's not much drama to it, which I like. Less drama, right? So this is what the actual component looks like. It's so pretty. And the photo, wow. I feel like this girl is very popular. There's a seal here that lets you know that this product is really new, it's brand new, and it's never been touched, never been swatched. That is really important for hygienic purposes. So that's good. Way to go, 3CEs. I'm going to be popping this open. Let's see. You know, I don't want to break the seal, and I'm just gonna remove this. So this is what it looks like inside. So there's a seal here for the mirror just so it won't get contaminated. Let's see how the mirror looks like. Some mirrors are warped and the quality of the mirror is not really good, so you know, I hate warped mirrors. But it seems like their mirror is working good. It's clean, it's nice. So this product is actually multi-use, so you can use it for your cheeks and on your lips. I'm not sure if you can use this on your eyes. I love multi-use products because you can make the most out of your investments. It's beginner friendly and budget friendly. So I'm going to be trying this out. This is actually pretty nice because it somehow sets to a powder finish, a soft powder finish. And there's not much shine to it, which you would want, especially if you have oily skin. I'm also applying on my nose area just to, you know, add some sun-kissed look to it. Okay, that looks pretty good. Actually, my issue with the mirror is just it's too small. And now I am going to be trying it out on my lips. Let's see. Oh, the texture is really interesting. Wow, I like it. Oh wow, okay. Oh wow, I like the texture. It's like it has a moussey texture to it. So two things, I love the texture, but I'm not a big fan of the shade. And the reason for that, I love peachy shades. It's just that I have a beigey complexion, more the natural beige side. So this kind of peachy shade doesn't really work on me because it looks a bit pale. I'm not a big fan of this shade, which is a bummer because I love peachy shades. For the shade, I'm gonna give it a pass. But for the formula, I really love it. This shade will work on people with lighter complexions, and you know, this product was made in Korea, so most of their market have a lighter skin color. For sure, for the Korean market, this would work. But for the international market, this shade just won't work because this won't work on deeper complexions like me and even someone who has deeper skin colors. So that's it for my first impressions and review of 3CE's Take a Layer Multipot. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. If you have tried it, or are you still looking for reviews, you're still window shopping, let me know in the comment section below. See you guys, bye! Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want more, then please do click these videos right here. And of course, please do subscribe to our channel and turn on that bell button so that you are notified whenever we have a new video. See you on our next video. Bye!